So I'm kind of smiling because look, I know no one is gonna see this. Um, but what's gonna happen is I'm gonna die, and it's one of like my wife or my kids are gonna discover that I've been uploading to YouTube. They're gonna be like, "Holy shit!" So I've tried everything I know to do about the furnace. It just keeps resetting, so it's super cold. I got the oven on. I have no idea what I'm doing, man. But I don't know why it's resetting. I bleeded it out. I've done everything I know how to do. I even cleaned it, and it's still shutting off like a little bastard. But uh, I'm gonna go lay down and see what happens. But yeah, I'll upload this to YouTube just like I'm gonna upload all the videos. Who gives a shit? But if it's your dad doing it and he dies of cancer, fuck, it'll be fun. It'll be fun to listen to, right? He'd be like, this video is boring. What's the next video? I don't know. There's some nuggets of wisdom in some of these videos, but most of it is just shit. So have fun.